The results have been consistently shown that strong relationships are the key factor in our ability to flourish. Yes, artificial intelligence will transform our world. It can answer questions, analyze data, even hold conversations. But it cannot replace trust. It cannot replace compassion. It cannot replace genuine human connection. That's still up to us. So friends, as America begins its next 250 years, let's invest in one another. Call a friend, check on a neighbor, listen a little longer. One small act of kindness may not change the world, but it can change somebody's world. Start small. Small actions create ripple effects. Join the movement at ourrippleeffectnow.com.